Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free Solana from that website. No time to claim and no limit. Okay, this is the website. First of all, copy your Solana wallet in here, paste it and just click solve the capture. First of all, solve the edge capture is a bridge. Just click the bridge available and then solve this capture. It's too easy, not too hard to solve it, and just click get reward and wait few seconds and just reload the page. Okay, and I solve it again. Maybe some problems catching in here. Okay, again I type it and just click claim, and you can see this website send me my Satoshi and I can claim again. Just click again claim and solve this capture and solve this capture. It's airplane. Click verify and just click claim. You can see I claim again. This without any timer, without any limit. You can claim unlimited time and any time you want to claim. Okay, without any timer. And now you can see this website send me instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link being available in description. Bye bye for now.